back to Skipify.ai's YouTube channel. Today we're going to be talking about how to refresh your cache on your Skipify account to make sure that you access all of the most latest and greatest features through Skipify. Sometimes that just means you're going to have to clear your browsing data so then you can update the cache on your browser. So today I'm going to be doing this from my Google Chrome account. What you're going to want to do is just navigate over to these three buttons over here, and under history, just go to, you could click history there. You're going to navigate over here to this section which says delete browsing data, and I'm just going to refresh it over the past 7 days. You can do it further, you could do it all time. Let's just do 4 weeks here. I'll go ahead and delete that data. And once I do that, I'll free up my cached files, so then that way my server will update. And then once that's completed, I'm going to go ahead and navigate. Once this is finished, might just take a little sec. Okay, and once that's been cleared, you're going to go ahead and navigate. Actually, typically what you want to do is close it out, but here we'll go and type in Skipify.ai. It might have logged you out of your account. That's okay. You're just going to go ahead and make sure that you re-log in, and now I should have the latest version of Skipify. Our new interface has a white tab on the left instead of a navy blue one, so make sure that your account is most up to date, so then you have access to all of our features like the pre-foreclosure, the data sliders, all of the DNC filters and previous owner filters and demographic filters. You're going to want to make sure that all of that stuff is accessible on your Skipify account so you can get the most out of your account. And that's how you would troubleshoot making sure that you have the most updated version of Skipify.